I just sit down.
Then go home. When you go home, it smells like raw. People go to home like, oh.
And then when I check his phone on Friday, I'm like, oh no, I work hard for this little bit. Hell. I got bills, man.
In my opinion, it just can't be with my 12 hours. I told him when I got off from work that day, you know what I'm saying? I'm going back to kill him. I'm going to walk to the leg order.
Yeah.
Then you got to push him.
Oh, that's working your back right there.
Hands, feet.
What kind of novel does she read? A Black Urban?
Like a
Birthday lady.
That's like a love novel.
Birthday lady, what kind of novel you read?
That's like a love novel.
Oh.
Like that red wine. I'm going to the candles. Walk in the house, take some candles, get out, incense burning. Some glass old nice Chardonnay on ice.
Yeah.
Some NDR.
Yeah, hop on in. I got you.
I got it. Wash them off.
gotta be there until 5 in the morning.
No, I talking about the 27th. What time you gotta be there?
Oh, shit.
I'm talking about after the holidays when they open.
Oh, like you gotta call, make a form. Yeah.
So this bus right here, particularly.
Yeah, this bus or 34B.
Oh, so they make an appointment. What time you gotta be there?
Yeah, they'll make an appointment for you to come in.
So what time? I said what time you gotta be there? What time you have to come in? Like 7, 8, 9 o'clock.
They had me came in at 8:30. Shit, you ain't gonna leave out that motherfucker till like 10.
Oh wow.
You gonna have to fill out the application. I ain't gonna have to take a little test. Goddamn. A little math test, a little quiz and shit. Then after that, when you pass the little quiz, you gonna see you to a down drug screen up on Broad Road. Yeah, take a drug test.
Where you at now when y'all do that?
Shit, only thing I do is pack them up, put them in a box, get ready to ship out.
But how much they get away?
Oh, I'm getting paid 11.
What time they close?
But you know the damn timber getting all in my check.
Yeah. What time they close?
On top of the no, that's the 24 hours.
Oh, so they got different shifts.
Yeah.
How about if you just go to the company?
Oh, through the company shit, you can be making some change.
Yeah. Now I said with a company.
Oh, up in West Carolina. You gotta catch bus 28. Yeah, over by the airport. Oh, I catch a ride and then drop me off at the bus stop. You know what I'm saying? I can sit up. Ain't nobody, ain't no up there. You know what I'm saying? If they see you walking, they will stop. And they see you in that company, yeah, they will stop at you need a ride. Most jobs, shit, they'll pay right by you. Getting on through.
How far is it for the chicken bone?
Oh, it's past the chicken bone.
That shit good.
Man, I hope that's on the floor. I hope nobody in it, though. Yeah.
Oh, like.
Especially, I can't see how they do that live hanging, man. And I was doing wrestling, then all that shit is smacking all in my face. Like,
Oh, you cut your wrist?
Nah, I was in a pit. Coming off the belt.
Oh.
Yeah, it'd be a bag.
Wrist?
Yeah.
Oh, they got the leg for the thighs and legs, then they got another section with number of breasts coming out.
Yeah, no more breasts.
Oh, you got the bag,
Hell yeah.
How many coming in?
Man, it's awesome. It's about
The
4 of us
oh.
in the bin. They say doing took the bin out.
You should come quick more than the leg for it?
Hell yeah. We working at the same damn place. Oh man, you can't use the restroom. That's how it's going.
Yeah, I said the way since the chicken cut this before this leg for it. I'm missing big for our leg for it.
And then one time they said we get off this damn time, then we get off later. Oh man. See, I'm not gonna get off. I know what time I'm getting off.
I remember last week. We ended up about 6:30 every day. Every day.
Man, they don't.
Except for that Friday. Yeah, got off like
another shit.
5 o'clock, 5.
Another shit get on at their regular time. Come on, man. Y'all need to speed up, man.
Y'all speed up. Y'all just stand around. Come switch up. Come to y'all.
Over them blue hats. This way, they damn supervisor.
Let that shit go to their head.
Yeah. I ready to be the damn slow, man, with the green hat.
Yeah, you see the man that the busters behind for 3-4 hours moving the boxes. Switch up. They don't get it. Switch up. It's like you got one on this side, one on this side, on the corner, one hand in the boxes. The person who had the box, he switched up with this person. So that means he's still in the same position.
Yeah. Y'all just switching this them. Y'all didn't switch me. I know doing the most shit.
So we should have had 4 people in there at a time. One, the 2 on this side doing the chicken. The 2 hands in the box, man. Switch up too. You know, so if you switch up, one man totally get left up and gone.
Yeah. See, basically they was killing us. They ain't been switching up and shit.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about the solution.
Oh, straight. Oh yeah, it will come around McDonald's. Then you gonna go straight down. See, 34B, they would have kept straight on down this road. Yeah.
Go back to what was down?
They ain't going down.
Oh, you just turn up down the thing.
Yeah. I'm like 10 minutes away from it. Yeah, I'm like 10 minutes out. I ain't far from it. So like I said, I'm gonna call you soon as you get right here to your destination. Just hold on for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be right there. Alright, bro.
You want some boy holding up?
Man, what you looking at on TV? Unless TV looking at you. Man. Yeah, I know that's irritating, your ear hurting. That's all I got too bad. That should be hurting, irritating, and shit. Damn, one thing is another, man. See, that's why you got to keep on some kind of vitamins up in you. You don't need to fall back from your vitamins. That cough sound like it hurt. Yeah, everything looks like it hit you at once. Damn, right under there, holiday time. It's really you trying to get sick.
It's a rubber test.
Yeah. I take a vitamin every damn day because I know I work out here in this fucking weather. I know I gotta keep my immune system up above. Yeah. You know that be lingering around in the air. Yeah, we try to see you there. I'm gonna be taking care of him too. Put his ass in your own goddamn bathroom. No, that's my spot. I'm supposed to be laying behind. Yeah. Me hearing that make my throat hurt. What you call it?
Gotta get off our buses.
Boy, be damn nice, huh, man? These motherfuckers be knocking a little fast and look right there.
Taking the time, this is the last one.
Hell yeah. You trying to drain this damn clock. Damn. In the daytime, they be getting on through.
Yeah, that's what I said, you take your time.
You make sure he ain't trying to make no more round. Hey. You know what I'm saying? Everything I love, they don't jam me up on the 20th, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to go out there and flip the script now. No, I'm talking about get your ass back in my life. Flip the script, feel this is fucking run. Yeah, I'm gonna get back what's mine. I got that willing with that extra money.